Welcome back to Fitness Tips. If you're over 40 and waking up with stiff joints, aching muscles, or just feeling slower than you used to, you're not alone. But here's the truth the fitness industry won't tell you: your body isn't broken. You're not too old. With the right exercises, done daily, you can slow down, even reverse the signs of aging and restore energy, flexibility, strength, and vitality you thought were long gone. So in today's video, we're diving deep into 5 powerful exercises that work like magic to reverse aging and help rebuild your body after 40. And no, you don't need to hit the gym, lift heavy weights, or spend hours sweating. These movements are simple, science-backed, and can transform your life when done consistently. So grab a chair, clear some space, and stick around till the end, because your future self will thank you. Most people wait until it's too late. Don't let your body age faster than it needs to. What if just 15 minutes a day could change everything? Let's get into it. Segment 1. The power of movement after 40. After age 40, your body starts changing, muscle mass decreases, metabolism slows, joint flexibility declines, and balance becomes more challenging. These are natural processes, but they're not irreversible. What makes the difference? Movement. But not just any movement: intentional, functional, and restorative exercises that support your body's changing needs. The 5 exercises you're about to learn will help you. Ready? Let's go. 1. Dynamic spine stretch, the fountain of youth for your back. Let's start with a powerful yet underrated exercise that works like a reset button for your entire body: the dynamic spine stretch. Why this one first? Because your spine is the highway of your nervous system. As you age, poor posture and a sedentary lifestyle compress your spine, leading to back pain, stiffness, and even fatigue. This simple stretch revitalizes your spinal fluid, improves posture, decompresses the discs, and brings blood flow to every nerve running through your body. How to do it? Start standing or seated. Reach both arms above your head, interlace your fingers, and slowly stretch to the sky. Inhale deeply. Now, gently bend side to side, creating a wave-like motion. Then rotate slowly left and right, keeping your spine long. Finish by slowly rolling your neck in a circular motion. Do this for 2 to 3 minutes every morning, and watch how your mobility, focus, and mood improve almost instantly. You might be shocked to learn that tightness in your spine can age your organs. Yes, your digestive, immune, and even reproductive health is connected to spinal health. One stretch a day could reverse more than just back pain. 2. The glute activation circuit, your anti-aging engine. Next, we move to one of the most neglected yet powerful areas of the body: the glutes. After 40, most people lose glute strength due to prolonged sitting, lack of mobility, and muscle degeneration. What they don't realize is, the glutes are your body's engine. Weak glutes lead to poor posture, back pain, weak knees, and even balance issues. This glute activation circuit wakes up dormant muscles and gives you back the lower body power you need to move with confidence. Here's what to do. Lie on your back with your knees bent, feet flat. Start with glute bridges. Lift your hips while squeezing your glutes, hold at the top for 5 seconds. Then switch to donkey kicks on all fours, and finish with standing leg lifts while holding a wall or chair for support. Just 3 sets of 10 reps per leg will reignite your power center. Did you know strong glutes can reduce the appearance of cellulite, improve circulation, and make your walks more powerful and pain-free? Yes, it's not just about strength. It's about moving like you're 20 years younger. 3. The joint saver, mobility flow for hips, knees, and ankles. Your joints are like the hinges on a door. And after 40, those hinges start to get rusty, unless you oil them regularly. This next exercise is a joint mobility flow that targets your hips, knees, and ankles, the very places where people over 40 start losing movement. Poor joint health leads to stiffness, pain, and eventually, falls. But this flow keeps your joints supple, your balance strong, and your movement effortless. How to do it? Start standing tall. Lift one knee up to your chest and circle your ankles slowly. Next, do controlled hip circles, one leg at a time. Finish by sitting into a gentle squat, holding onto a chair if needed, and shifting your weight side to side. This entire sequence takes about 5 minutes, and it's like a massage for your joints. What if you could move like you did at 25? With zero stiffness, no joint pain, and a spring in your step. You don't need expensive supplements or surgeries, just this daily routine. 4. The Core Awakener. Strengthen your internal armor. Now, we shift inward. Because if there's one part of your body that holds everything together, it's your core. After 40, your core weakens, posture suffers, digestion slows, and you're more prone to injuries. This doesn't mean endless crunches or planks. The goal is to awaken your deep core muscles, especially the transverse abdominis and obliques. Exercise. Start with seated pelvic tilts. Sit on a chair, hands on your thighs, and slowly tilt your pelvis forward and backward, activating your core. Next, do dead bugs lying on your back, lifting one leg and the opposite arm, keeping your core tight. Finally, finish with a standing crossbody crunch, touching your elbow to the opposite knee, slowly and with control. These moves not only flatten your stomach over time but improve organ function, balance, and back strength. A strong core is the secret to looking and feeling younger. It's your body's natural corset, keeping everything tight, lifted, and secure. Neglect it, and you age faster. Activate it, and you turn back the clock. 5. The Longevity Walk, the most underrated anti-aging exercise. Finally, we come to what might be the most underrated anti-aging tool in the world. Walking, but not just any walk. This is the Longevity Walk, a mindful, intentional walk that resets your brain, muscles, joints, and heart. It's not about speed or distance, it's about quality. Here's how it works. Put on comfortable shoes, step outside or walk inside in a peaceful space. As you walk, engage your core, keep your shoulders back, and breathe deeply through your nose. With every step, visualize your blood flowing, your body regenerating, and your energy rising. Walk for 20 to 30 minutes a day, or break it into 10-minute bursts throughout the day. This simple act reduces inflammation, boosts lymphatic drainage, improves heart health, and most importantly, clears your mind. What if I told you this one exercise reduces your risk of death by 39%, slashes stress, and strengthens your brain, and all it takes is a walk done right? Wrap up. Reverse aging is in your hands, so there you have it. These 5 exercises, when done daily, are not just workouts. They are age-reversing rituals that activate your body's deepest healing systems. Let's recap. Dynamic spine stretch unlocks mobility and posture, glute activation circuit, restores lower body power, joint saver mobility flow, protects knees, hips, and ankles, core awakener, strengthens your internal engine, longevity walk, heals your body and mind. Thousands of people over 40 believe that aging means decline. But science and results say otherwise. The truth? The body you want is one daily routine away. Don't wait for pain to force you into change. Choose to feel strong again, move again, and live again. You're not too old. You're not too late. And your best years aren't behind you. They're just one step, one breath, one stretch away. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Fitness Tips for more life-changing health routines. We're here to help you live stronger, longer, and healthier.